Good morning dear children. Welcome to today's online class. Yesterday in the previous video I have already asked you to submit maths activity. Till now still some of the students are left over and time is also over. So now again and again I am not going to remind those who are submitting. For the late marking you will get little less marks, and those who are not submitting we are not going to remind you again. So those students will get 0 marks for the activity out of 10. So just leave that topic now. Come to the topic here what we were discussing yesterday. So we have started chapter 10, mensuration. Mensuration, the meaning I have explained, that is to measure. Means to measure. And here the first topic we have taken perimeter. Perimeter means the total, all around, the distance covered by anything, distance covered all around is called as perimeter. And if that figure is a regular figure, regular means having the same measurement of all the sides, that is called as a regular figure. And irregular means which is having different length of the sides, that is called as irregular figure. And that figures should have line segments. The figure should be made up of line segments. That only will have perimeter. So perimeter, like suppose I am drawing this figure. So sum of all the sides means starting from this point, moving all around and again reaching back to this point. Sum of all these sides will give you the length, means total perimeter. So now we are going to start exercise 10.1. As you know that here in the videos we are just explaining the topics. So your work is to just hear the video, listen to the video and try to understand the topics. Okay. Now to write in your copy is not from this video. For that you will get the PDF. But through the PDF, sometimes some of the topics may not be clear to you. So for clearing that thing, to listen to the videos is must. Okay. So listen to these videos carefully. And in these videos, we are not going to solve all the questions. Every question I am not going to solve here on the board, because some questions are similar also. So in PDF you will get that, and how to write in your notebook, that also you will get through PDF. So now here we are starting exercise 10.1. The question is find the perimeter of each of the following figures. Perimeter. So perimeter of any of the figure, you should write here sum of all the sides. Sum of all sides. Okay. Then the same will come there also. Perimeter of all the sides. Then don't take from here and there. यहाँ वहाँ से नहीं लेना. Just start from one point, go through all around and again reach back to the same point. Suppose we are starting from this point. Okay, in this way we will move and again we will reach to this point only. So what is the first side? That is 4 plus second side is this one. So that is 0.5 plus next side is this 2.5. Next is this 2.5. Then next is this 0.5. Then next is this one, that is 4. And again this one is 1. And then we will reach to this point. So the sum of all the sides is completed here. Now just do the addition. And of course the unit you have to write. This is all centimeter. Now the decimal ones you add it first. This is 4 and 4, 8 and 1, 9. This is 9. And 0.5 and 0.5, 5 and 5, 10. That is 1.0. 1.0. And 2.5, 2.5, that is 5.0. Don't ask how, that you just do in rough. You have studied in the lower classes. Then 9 and 1, 10, 10 and 5, 15 centimeter is the answer. Okay. In the similar way, you will solve the other one also. And it is the E part and that is the F part. A to D I have not solved because you know that perimeter is sum of all the sides. So just all the sides you will just write down. A, B, C, D and all name of the figure is not given. Just the measurements you will write as I have written here. And a unit you have to write if it is given in the figure. That unit you will write. Either it will be meter or centimeter or whatever. As given in the question, you have to write down the unit. Okay. So now coming to the F part, that figure is given. And the perimeter is asked. So perimeter is sum of all the sides. So as I have told here that start from one point. Then move all around and again reach back to the same point. So that is a little complicated figure. No need to worry for that. You will just start from one point. From one point we will start. Let us start from this point. And in this way we will move all around and again reach back to that point. Okay, that is sum. Sum of all the sides. So this way we are moving. So 1 plus next is 3 plus next is this one 2, next is 3, then this one 4, then next is 1, then next 3, then this one 2, then this one, that is 3 plus this one 4, then this way 1, then this way 3, then 2, then 3, up to here we reach, then 4, then 1, then again 3 plus 2 plus 3, then again this 4. And don't take this one again because we have reached up to this point. By taking this 4, we have reached up to this point. And if you are having any doubt whether you have written all the numbers or not, just you count how many numbers are given here and how many numbers you have copied here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 4, 20. So all 20 you got. And just add up all these numbers and that whole given in centimeter as in your question in the textbook. So unit will be the centimeter. Okay, just find out the answer. That will be the answer for perimeter. So any of the irregular figure if you are having where the square, rectangle, equilateral triangle and hexagon, pentagon, these are called as regular figures, means having equal measurement of the length. So these are having some formula. Other than these, any of the figure if you are having that are called as irregular figure, means all the sides will be of different length. So in that you have to do in this same way, that is sum of all the sides. So this question 1 we have completed here. Coming to the next question, that is the lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 cm by 10 cm. Here you are seeing the word by. That does not mean this 40 by 10. That is not the meaning. 40 by 10 means 40 is the length and 10 is the breadth. Length is 40 cm and breadth is 10 cm. So this is the length and breadth of the rectangular box it is given and is sealed all around with tape. पूरा चारों तरफ से टेप से उसको सील करना है. What is the length of the tape required? Tape required means like suppose this board you can see from this corner we will start. Like suppose if it is a box. So starting from this corner, sealing all around and again reaching to the same. That means it is the perimeter only. Sum of all the sides. So perimeter you are finding. And perimeter of what? It is a rectangular box. So you will find perimeter of rectangle. So formula yesterday only I explained. that is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 40 centimeter you will write down and 10 centimeter. That is 2 into 50 centimeter, that is 100 centimeter. In this way you have to solve. Then next is tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. That is also in the same way. Everything will be same. Length and breadth is differently given. Only here one thing is a little bit different. What is that? That is length is given 2 meter 25 centimeter and breadth is given 1 meter 50 centimeter. So here two units are given, meter and centimeter. So in that same way you will take and do the addition. So how we are doing this addition? Meter and centimeter you write at the top. Here you will write down 2, here 25, here 1 and here 50 and then add. It is 3 and it is 75. So here you will get answer 3 meter 75 centimeter and that you have to multiply by 2. This is meter, this is centimeter and that you are going to multiply by 2. Okay. Or else, in this way also if you are finding difficulty that how we will multiply. Multiply with this also, multiply with this also or how we are going to do. So that I am explaining here. 2 into 3 meter 75 centimeter. Up to here you understood how we got this length and breadth. This is the length, this is the breadth. That too we have added. In this way you are going to do the addition. So in this way we got this much answer. Now further how to multiply this. That is little difficult. Some students may be thinking that this 2 according to the distributive property will be multiplied to this 3 also, multiplied by 75 also. That is not the way. How you are going to do? That is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter will be equals to 300 centimeter. So that is 2 into 300 and plus 75 centimeter. That is 2 into 375 centimeter. That multiplication you do. So that is total centimeter you will get. So first digit you will take for the meter and the rest you can take for the centimeter as you have got here in the question. Understood? So in this way you are going to multiply by 2. Then coming to the next question, the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth are given is in the same manner. So that fourth question I am not solving here. Then next, fifth, a rectangular piece of land 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. That means 0.7 is the length and 0.5 is the breadth. So each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. Means, suppose this is the land. So this has to be covered by 4 rows of the wire. Means तारों का 4 बार राउंड करके उसको फेंसिंग किया गया है. The question is clear. So 1 round means 1 time of perimeter, and for making the 4 rounds you will multiply that perimeter into 4. That much only. That little bit you have to think. Perimeter everyone understood how to find. That perimeter you are going to multiply by 4 because in the question it is given 4 rounds of the 4 rows. 4 बार उसको round किया गया for making the fencing. So what is the length of the wire needed? Perimeter once you will find out and that you will multiply by 4. That much only you have to do. Earlier only I said all the questions I am not going to solve here. Just I am explaining what is the meaning and how we are going to solve. So coming to the question number 6. Perimeter of the following shapes. A triangle of sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. First of all, you tell here which kind of triangle is this. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. All the sides are of different length. That means it is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the sides are of different length, and different length means it is irregular figure. So it is just like the previous first question we have done, sum of all these sides. So that you will do by your own. Then next, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle formula yesterday I have told you. Equilateral triangle means all the three sides equal. Equilateral triangle. That means equilateral means triangle is having three sides and all are of same length. So 3 into side. And the length is given 9. So you will do 3 into 9. Unit is given centimeter. So 9 3s are 27 centimeter is the answer. This is for question number 6, second part. Okay. Then next is isosceles triangle. Here 8 centimeter side is given and third side is given 6 centimeter. Triangle is having 3 sides, but here only 2 sides is given. But the name of the triangle is given. That is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means 2 sides are equal. So 8 centimeter you take equal sides. It is given also in the question. Equal sides means 8 and 8 2 times you will take, and the third one you will take 6. So that I am just writing and explaining. 2 sides equal. So equal sides are of 8 centimeter. And the third side is 6 centimeter. So perimeter will be sum of all the sides. That is 8 and 8 2 times you will take, and 1 time you will take 6. Okay. So just add that and centimeter, that will be your answer. Okay. So this way you have to learn the formula of the regular figure, and for the irregular figure you have to just do sum of all these sides. So in this way we have completed up to question number 6, and so learn the formula and addition everyone know how to do. So up to question number 6 we have done. The rest we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you for today's class.